Captions AI versus CapCut. Which video editor is better? Choosing the right video editor can completely change how you create polished videos without wasting time. Captions AI focuses on automated subtitles, while CapCut offers full editing tools. Captions AI and CapCut serve video creators, but with different focuses. Captions AI specializes in automatic captioning to enhance accessibility and engagement, while CapCut provides a comprehensive video editing suite for trimming, effects, and creative control. Captions AI is an AI-powered tool designed to automatically generate accurate subtitles and captions for videos. It works by analyzing audio tracks and converting speech into synchronized text, making videos more accessible and easier to follow. Its strengths lie in speed, precision, and support for multiple languages, which helps creators reach wider audiences without manual captioning effort. Captions AI integrates smoothly with popular video platforms and supports exporting captions in various formats. However, it focuses primarily on captioning and does not provide video editing features like trimming or effects. This specialization makes it ideal for content creators, educators, and marketers who want to enhance video accessibility quickly and efficiently without needing advanced editing tools. CapCut is a full-featured video editor popular among creators for its user-friendly interface and powerful editing capabilities. It allows users to trim, merge, add transitions, apply filters, and incorporate text overlays and music directly within the app. CapCut also supports exporting videos in multiple resolutions, making it suitable for social media platforms. Its strengths include versatility, creative freedom, and a robust set of tools that cater to both beginners and intermediate users. However, CapCut's captioning features are manual and less automated compared to dedicated tools like Captions AI, which may require more time to produce accurate subtitles. This makes CapCut ideal for creators looking for an all-in-one editing solution, where they can craft visually engaging videos but who don't prioritize automated captioning. When comparing Captions AI and CapCut, the key trade-off is between automated captioning and full video editing control. Captions AI excels in generating precise subtitles quickly, perfect for creators focused on accessibility and engagement without extensive editing. In contrast, CapCut offers a comprehensive editing environment that supports creative video production but requires manual captioning, which can slow down workflow. For example, educators needing fast, accurate captions for lectures will benefit from Captions AI, while social media influencers crafting dynamic videos with effects and music will prefer CapCut. Choosing depends on whether your priority is seamless captioning or versatile editing. Both tools complement different stages of video creation, so some users might even combine them for the best results. Choose Captions AI if your main goal is fast, accurate, and automated subtitle generation to improve video accessibility and viewer engagement effortlessly. Opt for CapCut if you want a versatile video editor with creative tools for trimming, effects, and overlays, especially when manual captioning is not a priority. Both tools serve distinct needs, so pick the one that aligns best with your video creation goals.